Okay, in this problem we are going to be using the molarity formula so that we can describe the concentration of the solute to the solution value. And so remember, we use capital M for molarity. So molarity equals moles of solute over liters of solution. So if I look at my problem, it says that I have 50 milliliters and the molarity is 0.1 molar. And they're asking us for moles. So we want to solve for moles. We want to get that all by itself on one side of the equation. So in order to remove the liters from the bottom, we would need to multiply by liters on both sides of this equation. So then my liters cancel out over here, and I'm left with liters times molarity equals moles. Now, our volume right now is in milliliters, so I need to convert that to liters. So remember, there are 1,000 milliliters in a liter. So we're going to move the decimal over 3 places. So we end up with 0.050 liters. So I plug that in, 0.050 liters times 0.1 molar and I end up with 0.005, and that's 1 sig fig because these zeros at the beginning are leading zeros and we don't count them, and we only want 1 sig fig because there's only 1 sig fig in this. So my label is mole HCl. So that's molarity. Molarity equals moles over liters, and it is discussing or calculating a concentration. So how much solute is in a solution.